Hey, YouTube family. I got my daughter a 2007 Ford Focus, and got a dual alternator on it, and it's been hell. She got the Focus ZX4, and if you see what the alternator is, ah, it's hectic. There go the alternator, and I got to loosen the motor mount on the bottom and get it out. I saw a lot of tutorials, but uh, I'm just going to touch on a couple of bases on some stuff I saw in the video that people do. Okay, with the what is this? A power steering pump. You can just take that out once you take the cooling system. A lot of people take this apart, but it doesn't even make any sense to take this apart. You can just move it on the side like that, and then also with the power steering uh, pump, you move that on out the way, and then you can get to this top screw right here. Hope y'all can see it. There's a top screw right there that you can get to get the top off, and then you got two screws on the bottom. I think it's a 13 and a 15. It's kind of stupid. They should have just used all the same bolts. But also check in here to check and see if when you put the alternator, a lot of people don't check this. Check and see if your fuse blown. Check and see your fuse blown. You pop this open. Yeah, look, I'm looking at the wrong thing. My son ain't here to record for me, so I can't. But just pop this open. Pop this open on the side, and then it'll open up. And if it's broke, it needs to be changed. And that's your. Sometimes you can put the alternator in and think you need to get another alternator. It's the fuse, and also in the fuel box. Um, check the filter. Check the fuse. One, and it tell you that's dealing with that too. So once you get that off, go underneath and take the belt off, and you take the cover off from underneath. And once you take both screws off, you should be good. I'm gonna try to make another video later. I just took all this stuff off to make sure I check everything and get everything out the way, so I can go easy. So I can take that out. It's all the way down in there. The auto part, not auto part, but the mechanic shop, they want to charge you $200 for labor to take it off. And but yeah, it's a job. Let me show you what I got going on here. Okay, so I took the bed off from around here, and hope y'all can see the alternator. I gotta take those two bolts off, and then from there, it's ball game. So I'm gonna do another tutorial on how it looked when I finish, and then I had to take this off because I gotta rock the engine. I gotta rock the engine back a little bit so it can come through this hole right here, and I can either take the nut from there or the nut from here. Yep. So y'all cross your hands for me, and hopefully, if one of my kids get here, I'll give you a good recording of it so y'all can see how it is. All right, y'all. Y'all have a blessed day. Good luck with this project, because I'm ready to quit. I'm ready to quit on it. But y'all have a nice day.